Okay, we're at the job site, and here's what I wanted to show you, is those corners. All four corners are in really bad shape. Raise it up so we can see it. I can just take my hand with very little pressure and push on it, and the only thing holding it together is caulk. I think what we need to do is put a piece of angle here and a piece of angle down there to help better support this corner, so that way we don't have to worry about sucking dirt in through here. And when you're pressure washing, water doesn't push that back and get behind it and eventually rust everything out. That's part of the reason why I didn't want to wash this until I got it all straightened out. There's another section further down here that I want to show you. Okay, right here, this is a wall coming to a support beam and then the light. If you look just so, I can see directly through the booth to outside. That's not right. This is supposed to be sealed. And I found out when I was cleaning the lights and everything yesterday. So that's got to be taken care of. Just little things. Alright, one other thing here. See how nice and clear, I don't know if this video is going to show, this glass is. But that glass over there, specifically the third one down, almost looks frosted. I don't know if somebody's cleaned it with the wrong stuff, but we're going to take it completely apart and take a look at it, and I'll show you that as well. Okay. This is that window I was telling you about. I don't know if you can see it any better. But even from that glass to that glass, there's a significant difference. We'll find out.